Hello everybody, I am Lord Snow, and with me is the Ranger, Ladyloo and La, and this is RF After Dark. So guys, what are we going to do today?
We're going to play. Whoa. Right. Right.
I like muffins more than you.
2, 1, go.
You didn't even say what we're going to play.
Cards Against Humanity, it's like kind of obvious, isn't it? Yeah.
Right, okay. I'm the
Best game in the world.
Right, that's me. Right. In Rome, there are whisperings that the Vatican has a secret room devoted to blank.
that card sucked. That's all I could do.
Oh, I think this one's a winner.
Oh god, if someone had choir boys, that would be perfect.
Right. In Rome, there are whisperings that the Vatican has a secret room devoted to child abuse. Bill Nye the Science Guy, and getting boned. Oh god.
Getting boned is a very good one.
It's gonna have to be child abuse. I'm sorry.
Child abuse is probably the most accurate.
Oh god.
Great. Oh god, that's great.
Right, now what happens? I don't know what to do now. Right, there we go, right.
Oh god. In the beginning there was blank, and the Lord said, "Let there be blank."
I'm gonna pick that, I think. Yep, that should do.
Okay. This might be an awkward moment in life.
Dude, this is us. We don't do awkward. Except for the A in our name.
Come on, Dan.
Wow.
Come on, before you get kicked.
Hold on. I'm just,
You can do this, Dan.
yeah,
We believe
I'm picking a second card. It's just my mouse is being weird. Okay.
Hey!
Why is
In the
there
beginning there was Kana and Misato in a drinking contest, and the Lord said, "Let there be transvestite police officers." Wow.
Okay.
In the beginning there were Vikings, and the Lord said, "Let there be roofies." Fair enough.
Accurate.
And in the beginning there was the toilet worship, and the Lord said, "Let there be queefing." I'm sorry, that one's secret.
Queefing always wins.
Oh, that's great.
Yes.
You're just a
it's
bad
too
person.
easy, it's too easy.
Oh, that's
God.
great.
Get on my level.
Oprah's book of the month is blank for blank, a story of hope. I'm guessing Oprah is Oprah Winfrey.
Okay.
A hard one, actually.
Guys, I may just win this too easily. You might not even get any points.
Is that a challenge?
very
Is that a
good at
challenge?
this.
That it might be a
Stop.
challenge. That might
Come
be
at me. 1v1 me IRL.
Right, whoa. There
God,
we
no.
go.
Oprah's book of the month is Getting Naked and Watching Nickelodeon for Star-Shaped Nipples, a story of hope. Oprah's book of the month is Rage Quit, a story for Rage Quit for Japanese Spider-Man, a story of hope. Or a sonic screwdriver stuck on the vibrate setting for Bulma's panties, a story of
Whoever
hope.
did that, oh my god.
Wow.
Yes.
Trusted me thorough with the fucking Doctor Who reference thing.
I'm
Just
sorry,
luck
but
of the
I
draw.
saw the opportunity and it's okay.
I have really crap cards here, just saying.
My viewers may know this. Now, I'm not very good at saying things. So, what the hell is Javura Bro?
What the fuck even is it? Is that
Juvie Bro. Okay, maybe.
Juvie bro? I don't know what that is.
It sounds like that old game with a shaman where you go around with a staff.
You
Or
mean
like,
Jumanji?
Maybe. It was like PS2, PS1.
Come on,
Oh,
guys.
oh, no,
Juju.
no. Juju.
Yeah.
1,000 years bad juju for kill Fire King.
Yeah. Alright, what the hell is a Juju bro? A diet consisting almost entirely of potatoes, training a dinosaur to ride a bull, a fucking dragonite motherfucker. That one wins, come on. That one.
Yes.
And I'm just here like, I'm a nice person.
What did you pick?
I had the dinosaur riding a bull. I have shit cards today.
What makes Caboose angry? The answer, by the way, is wanking into a pool of children's tears.
Well, it could be that. Or it could be what I put.
Something I do every evening.
Right, okay, I'm gonna read this backwards. I'm not gonna get everyone. No, I'm not right. What makes Caboose angry? Ganguro girls. Dumb. I can't read the next one.
What?
Makes
I don't know what that means. What is that?
Inuyasha, Kagome, they're anime characters from Inuyasha.
Okay, I'll just let that one be
Okay.
the intro. And
Okay.
what makes Caboose angry? Making a pouty face. Well, this is awkward. None of them are that good. Fucking hell. I can't talk.
Pick Inuyasha and Kagome.
No, I'm just gonna go for this one.
No!
Hey!
Come on!
Reverse psychology,
Going up to a
motherfucker.
Caboose going. I'm actually doing a pouty face right now.
I know. It'd be helpful to mention we can't see each other, so, you know, we don't know.
Ladyloo.
Cooking is so fun. Cooking is so fun. Now it's time to take a break and see what we have done. Blank. Yay! It's ready.
Got this one. Nailed it.
Oh.
Mine's great. Oh, you know there's a timer. You can change the timer.
Yeah.
And none of you watch Rooster Teeth either, so none of you would know the card I was going to use.
Well, you obviously
I don't
haven't.
watch them, but that can change.
You need to watch it. If I watch Yogscast, you need to watch Rooster Teeth, dude. An achievement on it. You just have to.
I keep coughing tonight.
I
Alright.
want to turn my fire off, but that means bending down.
You know what you like doing, Dom?
Oh, shut up.
Right. Cooking is so fun. Cooking is so fun. Now it's time to take a break and see what we have done. Poor people. Yay, it's ready. A pyramid served of heads, of severed heads even. Yeah.
Yeah,
Or
it's
the
ready.
eternal pervert. The eternal pervert, Eric Bell.
Oh, I
think
got a horse stick card. I could have used that.
Oh, you should use the horse stick, dude. Come on.
So, what do you choose?
Let me.
Ah,
My
Ba-dum, bum. Ba-dum, bum.
poor people.
No.
Right.
Every pony was shocked to discover that Scootaloo's cutie mark was...
What?
And you don't understand this card either.
No, I don't.
Quiz?
I get the feeling that putting the pony expansions on were a bad idea.
Probably.
Yeah,
Which ones?
I put on both the pony expansions because I figured that might go someplace. I don't think that was a good idea.
No.
Mm. Every pony was shocked to discover that Scootaloo's cutie mark was screaming like a maniac. Every pony was shocked to discover that Scootaloo's cutie mark was chugging a lava lamp. Every pony was shocked to
wow.
discover that Scootaloo's cutie mark was some really fucked up shit.
It doesn't mention what the shit was. I think the chugging the
We
lava
know
lamp.
what's
what?
winning. We know what's winning.
The chugging the lava lamp. Go on,
Yeah.
just do it.
It's alright.
Just do it.
Screaming like a maniac is the most realistic, but it's got to be chugging a lava lamp.
That beats that any day. Come on.
Some really fucked up. God, can you imagine a cutie mark of a cutie mark? Because that'd be a cutie mark of a cutie mark, but then. No, a cutie mark of a pony with a cutie mark with a cute. Fuck, my brain.
Right. My blank is trying to die. it unique,
I have
guys.
nothing good for this.
Neither
I
do
keep it as a
but,
pet.
You know, it's kind of works.
No, I want to confirm my selection. Okay.
My used panty vending machines is trying to die. How does that work? You go to put the coin in, it just goes.
Gives you used panties, yeah.
And then like panties come out with a bit of oil on it or something. Like,
Good man.
No. They're actually like worn. Like I've seen this. I've done some I have a friend who's done some research into this, and basically, like you can get like women get paid to just like donate their panties. They're like you can pay extra, and they will take them off in front of you, so you know they're genuine, and then you can be really creepy with them if you're Japanese.
Someone
just
has to
wondering why you
select
know
it.
this.
Come on. Come on.
my Michael Jones is trying to die. I don't know who Michael Jones is. My shining finger is trying to die.
We know what's gonna win.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you.
I'm sorry, Mr. Jones. I'm sorry.
I know who that
Nothing
is.
good for that.
It's the crazy guy from. He's the only other brony in
Yay.
Achievement Hunter or Rooster Teeth, except Ray. But you don't know who I'm talking about.
Oh, God. I wonder what parents are thinking of my brothers when they walk past my door. Mum, I swear, despite its name, blank is not a porno. I was seriously got to know what my parents think.
If you guys laugh at my one, you guys are sick. You
okay.
are sick.
I know, Mom.
Right.
Now is not a good time for me.
Who's watching something?
Seriously, now is not a good time.
Oh God, I hear.
Locked you in for another week.
So
It's
do
fine.
I.
What are you
Okay,
watching?
right.
I
Mum,
know,
I swear,
Mum,
despite its name. Oh wait, what's happening?
Ladies and gentlemen, my mother.
Okay, right. Anyway. Oh wait. Clap. Right. Anyway.
Mom, I
Mum,
swear.
swear, despite its name, the peaceful and non-threatening rise of China is not a porno. Not that fun. Mum, I swear, despite its name, winking at old people is not a porno. Yeah, these
That was a bit crap, really.
He's just like, oh, this shit.
more stick would have been a really good one right now. Mum, I swear, despite its name, getting sucked into a fantasy world is not a porno. Oh, what happened?
Oh, come on. You took too long, that's what happened.
Oh.
Right.
Yay!
Oh well, I got getting sucked into a fantasy world back.
You guys, I saw this crazy movie last night. It opens on blank, and then there's some stuff about blank, and then it ends with blank.
I got the perfect one. Oh God, this is gonna be brilliant. There you
This
go.
is great. This is.
Oh my god, that is perfect. Ah,
Okay,
that
my
You have to
fits
read
so
it.
well.
Dude,
Skype has died.
Yep.
No, it doesn't.
But I'm
has it? No, it's not.
No, my Skype just like killed everyone. Right.
Mm.
You guys, I saw this crazy movie last night. It opens on getting abducted by Peter Pan, and there's some stuff about one gay Teletubby, and then it ends with flying sex snakes. Okay.
Oh god, that's good.
You guys, I saw this crazy movie last night. It opens on Scientology, and there's some stuff about sloppy chop, and then
Plop.
it ends with clop. Same thing. Just the tip.
Oh,
That one was shit. That one was terrible. You guys, I
Hey,
saw this
listen.
crazy. You guys, I saw this crazy movie last night. It opens on homeless people, and then there's some stuff about porn stars, and then it ends on friendship. I think I have to go.
Okay, we all know what's winning. Come on.
I'm sorry, but that was.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
That was.
Hey.
Mine
that
made
was-
sense.
No, mine made more sense. Dear Abby, I'm having some trouble with blank and would like your advice. Greased up Matthew McConaughey would have been brilliant.
Wait, I want to change mine.
Ugh, too late. Dear Abby, I'm having some trouble with a spastic nerd. I would like your advice. Dear Abby, I'm having some I've just realised the context. I've just realised the context. Dear Abby, I'm having some trouble with taking off your shirt and would like your advice. Dear Abby, I'm having trouble with menstrual rage and would like your advice.
Right, stop.
They're all
Stop.
Okay, my Skype died and I didn't hear any of you.
Right, I'm just going to say this. Right. Dear Abby, I'm having some trouble with actually coming inside Rainbow Dash and would like your advice. It would be so
You don't know what
perfect.
that means and you don't know why it's a meme, therefore I'm not going to choose it.
Yeah.
Trust me, Dan, if you found out why that was a meme, you would cry in a hole.
What helps Obama unwind? Come on, guys. And if any of you say some racial slur, you might win.
I don't have any! For
Dom,
once. Yes?
Can I just ask, what packs did you put in this? Shipping.
Right, so
I put in both the anime packs, both the pony packs, the Rooster Teeth pack, all the versions and all the expansions, except the box expansions, also the Doctor Who pack.
Oh, yes. Like
Lewis, do you know what shipping is?
Of course.
no.
What? No.
Lewis doesn't know what shipping is because he hasn't really been on the internet like that. And
Do I
Okay,
want
let's
what
not
it is?
explain it now. We haven't got long.
No,
Come on.
explain it. Come on.
no, just carry on.
Alright.
I think the viewers want to know.
Shipping
No.
basically
No.
is let me put it this way. Character 1, character 2, bedroom. Inside joke. But yeah, basically you write stories and art and shit and you decide that two characters should get together. I ship you and Laura, and it's canon.
I'm used to describe fanfiction to previously created characters and put them in as a pair. It usually refers
Yeah.
romantic relationships, but
Ah.
And we were
okay.
skipped.
Well done, Lewis.
Oh,
Okay.
right, I'm the card Kazar. Yay.
It's
Yeah.
pronounced Tsar. Did you even Russian history, bro?
No. Anyway, right. The world line has changed when I sent a email to myself about blank. Oh, message. Hold on.
What the hell is a D-mail?
I don't know.
Is it like an email but earlier?
I don't know. Just freaking card.
I have no idea what that is.
I actually have nothing right now.
You didn't know this is probably going to spammed in the comments, right?
Almost
Okay.
certainly.
The
And my
world-
mother is going to get the most likes out of all of us. And there's going to be cries for more.
Yeah.
Although she did make me flapjack and cookies, so.
The world line was changed when I sent an email to myself about Zawaru. I don't know what that is.
Barudo.
Well,
I don't know what
If it
is
sounds
anymore.
Japanese, it's almost certainly an anime character.
Oh god,
yeah, I
everything's
cannot
wrong.
regular. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's the internet. The world line was changed when I sent an email to myself about winking at old people. That's how I do it again. The world line was changed when I sent an email to myself about two billies shitting into a bucket.
Oh yeah, pick it. Go on. Now
Oh,
on.
God, oh.
Now on.
I'm just wondering who it was. Oh.
Hey!
Oh god.
Since I'm the only one who understands any of the pony references, Jesus Christ.
Who's
You
next
haven't
then?
truly lived until you've experienced blank and blank at the same time.
Snap. This is great.
Bang. Ooh, yeah.
Let's speak to.
Bang.
I'm just gonna get rid of two really long ones.
Really? You haven't truly lived until you experienced Heath Ledger and Horstick at the same time.
Horse stick.
Okay then.
Isn't he dead now?
Wait.
Yeah, I think he is actually. Yeah.
Isn't that Joker guy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why
You
now?
haven't
Yeah.
seen Lewis now. Don't.
Why so
sarcastic? While I experience myself at the same time. You wanna know why my face is white?
So,
Because I'm not racist. I mean, what?
Oh, we haven't got time. We haven't got
My
time.
name's Snoop
you
Dogg and
haven't
mine
truly
called
lived
Todd.
until you've experienced eating ramen noodles for a
Ramen.
for a month because you had the out of print Marcus box set and Brina
Palencia.
Palencia as an angsty teenage boy, Monica Ryo as his bratty little sister, and Colleen Black as their hot mum at the same time, and you haven't truly lived until you experience Boy Scouts of America and a greased up Matthew Conaughey.
Ah. We get skipped whenever it goes to 60. Alright. What is there a ton of in heaven? Guys?
Yep.
Okay, good, you're still alive. I wasn't sure.
Right.
I think I've got an okay one.
Mine's shit. I have really bad cards.
Ranger, come
I do have
on.
that card. I do have that card. Why is it?
Just choose a different one.
It'll be at the end if it was played last round.
Yeah, I can't. My game's just froze.
It's because you're using Internet Explorer.
No, I switched to Chrome.
Oh, thank you.
It's not let me select the card.
Type.
Alright then.
Oh, what the fuck's just happened?
What's there a ton of in heaven? Shorties and blunts. What's there a ton of in heaven? Obesity.
Wow.
Yep,
Wow.
I could make a fat joke there, but I'm not going to.
Do it.
No.
Wow.
No. No. I'm gonna pick that.
Guess what?
Is it because ton is of the weight? Come on.
Oh god.
I get that.
Alright, the incredible blank of a winning blank. Are you able to actually play now?
I don't know.
Is he even still here? Okay, no, he's still.
The incredible of a winning. I don't really get it.
None of these are good. I'm gonna use
No,
that because
God.
it's OP. Hey.
I've got
Hello.
cards
Right.
that I haven't got.
Hello.
The incredible obsolescence of a winning kitty.
Kitty.
The incredible third impact of a winning Vic McDerpederp. Incredible.
Vic Mike Derp. Don't
The
drop that
incredible
Derp.
Native American who solves crimes and goes into the spirit world of a winning the hair yerky dance.
It's pronounced Hari Hari UK. If you don't mind.
I was gonna pick that.
Dom, you really don't have a
But
life.
for that, I am picking Ladyloo's.
Fuck yeah.
Was that yours, Dom?
No.
Oh.
Mine was Obsolescence and Kitex. I
Ooh,
ran out of good
ooh,
cards.
Right. Guys, snap. Right, focus. Right. In an attempt to reach a wider audience, the Smithsonian Museum of Natural History has opened an interactive exhibit on blank. I want these
Oh,
guys.
I don't know which one to pick. I don't know which one to pick.
Shut the fuck up. That would be great. I can't.
I had to. I'm sorry.
Right, okay. In an attempt to reach a wider audience, the Smithsonian Museum of Natural History has opened up an interactive exhibit on Casca's hairy, unshaven.
I just realised it says interactive as well.
Yeah.
Cards Against Humanity and the Tower of Pimps. Okay, I'm sorry, but Dom, that's really not a good sound.
It's the sound of the interactive exhibit of Casca's hairy, unshaven
Oh,
badge.
gosh.
Can you be interactive with it?
Stop, Dom.
Right, okay, right.
No matter how many times I see it, blank always brings a tear to my eye. No matter how many times I see it, all the green get backers always bring a tear to my eye.
Gayness, not grayness.
Gayness.
Gayness, same difference. No
Grey
matter
is
how
a
many
colour.
times I see a middle-aged man on roller skates always brings a tear to my eye, and wow. No matter how many times I see it, actually coming inside a rainbow dash always brings a tear to my eye. I'm sorry.
Don't you dare. No, 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 you don't know why that's a...
I don't care.
It's such a bad thing. During Picasso's often overlooked brown period, he produced hundreds of paintings of... blank.
I'm just gonna...
Okay, I'll go a good one. I got.
Mine's not good, but... You know.
No, mine's completely out of it and stupid.
Produced hundreds of paintings of Astro Boy. Produced hundreds of paintings of a monkey smoking a cigar. And produced hundreds of paintings of You must construct additional pylons! Well, I'm just gonna go ahead and say I'm disappointed in all of you. Guys,
No.
I have
guys,
completely terrible cards.
step
like,
up your game. But because, just because of the wonderful things he does.
See, it's random. That's how you win, guys. Random. Right.
And you
Without
guys don't
any
get
warning.
spoiler.
Oh, God. Without any warning,
Is this-
Pinkie Pie bursts into a song about dum 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 blank.
Boom.
Yep, no, I don't think... Oh, crap. Okay. It'd be... Ow.
I'm sorry, the first one.
Yeah.
Sure the other one. Without any warning, Pinkie Pie bursts into a song about shutting the fuck up. Yes.
That'll be a first for her.
I don't even give a shit about the others.
Fuck you all.
That is
I wasted the
something
Pony Fiction Vault
I
before it
would
fucked off
say.
into the sunset.
Just saying, I'm loving the chat here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is
The
amazing.
audience can see this. Oh fuck. Right. I commissioned a picture of blank while editing blank with blank's dick. Ooh, I got a message.
I'm sorry, Mr. Jones. Why can I never confirm that card? Because apparently I don't have that card.
Yeah, that's what happened to mine, and then my game fucked up.
No,
I
I
don't
want to.
know
'Cause I want to select this card now. Oh, come on. No. Oh.
Press back and go forward again.
That's not helpful.
Oh, it looks like Dom's out of this.
Oh, shush. Right, back and then forward again.
I'm actually quite proud of my one. I don't think it's bad. I don't think it's the best.
Okay, I don't think that fixed it. I went back and forward again and nothing happened.
Hmm.
There's gonna be a lot of editing in these videos.
We don't do editing now.
No, we
Right,
like
it's still
cut things
gonna
out. We
be
don't like, unless of course we come to a complete halt when we're trying to film. In which case, then obviously we do, because otherwise
How
it's a
long
bit
have
shit,
we
really.
been recording for?
No idea. But let me put it this way: we're definitely not going to be keeping it to 15 minutes this time.
Right, this is 30 minutes so far. Oh, sorry, I was meant to be talking. I commissioned a picture of Super Milk Chan violating good old-fashioned Japanese sexism with the crab stick. I really
Who's the
don't.
crab?
I don't know.
No
I hope
idea.
my parents aren't walking past my door. Like a commission. They're outside.
How do you think I feel? I have my mother walking past. She gets a cameo
Carry
appearance
on,
in
guys,
the
yeah,
one
I'm
video I
gonna
don't want
I
to see.
commissioned a picture of petite princess Yuki, or Yuki, or whatever, violating Twilight Sparkle's massive throbbing princesshood with upside down carry dick. Okay, I'm sorry.
I'm
but
probably the only
this-
person that understood every single one of those cards.
This one here.
Yeah, I didn't understand any
I was
of
so
it.
proud of
Twilight Sparkle's massive throbbing princesshood wins every time.
Yeah, we know what that means.
The doctor did it. He saved the world again, this time using a blank.
Great card. Come on.
Yep, that's a very doctor thing to do.
I don't know.
The doctor did it. He saved the world again, this time using a peaceful and non-threatening rise of China.
What is Laura reading the Doctor Who one?
You
I
get
don't
it
know.
right, okay.
Okay, who got horse dick?
Me.
Yeah, this time using
I
a
thought you'd already
horse
used
dick.
that.
Ooh,
Oh, it was
did.
skipped, wasn't it?
the first
that round
one
was skipped.
also has been used already. So,
Yeah.
I'm sorry, but horse dick has to be.
Tupperware. But mine's the most doctory.
Right, what's the max score for this?
What? Tupperware?
Yep,
There's
Tupperware.
8 score.
The peaceful and non-threatening.
My cutie mark would be blank. Just a heads up there, cutie mark is like a mark that appears on a pony's ass when it realizes what it's supposed to do with its fucking life. And the silence is crushing.
My game, my card. Oh god.
My cutie mark would be showing episodes of Toriko to starving children. My cutie mark would be in denial. My cutie mark would be doing a dig down. It's funny because it's true.
Yeah!
Oh god.
This is brilliant.
Right, Lara, back to you. Let's do
Oh god damn, I can't win this round.
it. Nope, but in the next one.
Right. They found some more last episodes. They were found in blank. Tell me where they were found. I've got the perfect one for this.
Oh no,
Psycho.
no, no, I had a MasterCard. No. Oh.
I have a really shit card, but I'm saving one of my cards. 'cause it's
They were found in a greased up Matthew Conaughey, a can of whoop-ass, and the featured box.
I don't get it.
Isn't the featured box on YouTube?
I don't know.
I
Maybe.
don't know.
possibly
Oh my god, Jinx. Right, come on. Big one. Yes.
Aww.
Oh, I can't win the
Count
next
back.
round.
I wasted a greased up Matthew McConaughey.
You gotta pick wisely now.
I'm a smother you
Oh,
in
no.
my blank.
They can't win.
I'm gonna Google something because I need to.
So, we haven't got time. Come on.
No, I've already
He's
I've already
rushing
done
our
my card.
video.
Ugh. Okay, that did not help.
Come on, hurry up. Come on.
I've already chosen. I chose first.
The rest.
None of them could've
Oh,
won,
here we go.
mate.
Right. I'm a smother you in my tangled slinkies.
Oh
I
god.
don't get it. Never
Oh.
mind. I'm a smother you in my sick freaks who love whatever the fuck that is.
Falcon. It's like shipping, but with characters who aren't like
Yeah.
even like
I
7.
don't care. I'm a smother you in my bludgeoning.
Haruhi
Haruhi
Suzumiya.
death
An
with a
anime
bat.
character. Let's just go for that.
Right, okay, I'm just gonna, you know,
Hey! I'm not losing anymore.
who's the only one I got laughs for, so.
Sick freaks with a Falcon.
Aww. blank. He did.
Oh, I've just realised who that is.
He did. Who's Dave? Keith Davids?
I don't actually know who Keith Davids is.
Oh god, I've got to search it all up.
God, I forgot Jeff's last name was Ramsey.
Come on, Dan. Come on.
No. I didn't have any good ones.
Am I gonna
Yeah.
win?
Laser horse. Laser horse.
I don't know. Or a hamburger.
Read it out then.
I did.
He did.
Yes.
Yeah, winner!
Ah.
I knew a laser horse would get me the win. Anyway.
Yeah. I bet.
Alright, so
Into your private chat.
So that's it.
should we do another, or should we
Yeah, we shall.
do
another.
Towns of Salem, or what?
We should.
You didn't want to do an outro then?
Oh, are we doing another? Are we finishing, or what? I don't know.
We're doing another.
We're doing another?
Okay,
Alright, in that case,
Can we
La, you're the
change
host.
the,
Can you take off some of the expansions so we actually know what's going on?
Right, I'm gonna
Okay.
stop recording and then so if we want to do an outro first and then
Alright, I did the intro, Dan, you do the outro.
I don't know, that's too much pressure.
Alright, fine. Alright, I'll do it. When are you ready, or what?
Wait, is there any point because we're already on 40 minutes and this is going to be split into what, 4 episodes?
No, this is going to be one episode. Every episode of RFAD is one episode, even if it's like
Okay.
half an hour long. Alright, so we can cut that bit out, but I'll just do the outro.
No, we'll leave it in. We'll leave it in.
Leave it. Are you
We're
sure?
not- well, we said we're not going to do editing, so
Well,
Yeah,
we
but
can
you
cut
just
out
don't
that
wanna
bit, that bit's like
They don't want us. They don't want to watch us discussing whether or not we're going to do an outro.
Oh no,
okay,
totally.
okay.
Alright,
Yeah,
okay.
now they
So
will, just
yeah. So thanks everybody. It's been fun. It's been fun playing with y'all. And I hope you'll join us again next time when we be our random dickish selves on RF After Dark.
And just to add this in, if you've got any suggestions of what you want us to play or stuff,
Oh
you
yeah,
know,
sure.
drop
Leave
the
suggestions
comments.
in the comments as ever.
He
Thumbs
was
up for my
saying
mother.
that then.
Yeah, I know. I
And
just
if you
What?
like
He
it,
didn't,
no,
Tom.
thumbs up.
I'm such an ass. Alright,
I was doing my thumbs up bit there.
I've already done this like twice.
Anyway.
Recording stopped. Recording started. Right.
Whoa.
Alright, hang on. I'll do the same thing then. Right.